As the outer layer settle down, the senses come into line, no longer pulling the self outward. They serve a deeper design. The body listens, energy clears, responding to inner light. What once distracted and divided now rests in quiet alignment. Through purification, gifts arise softly, one by one. The senses calm, the heart grows still, and scattered thought is done. In this clear space, the soul appears, unhidden, calm and bright. The inner truth comes into view. Within the quiet light, emotions settle like clear water, no waves to cloud the view. Desire loosens its old grip, making room for what is true. The spirit rests without demand, no push, no need to strive. In gentle stillness, peace takes form, and deeper knowing thrive. Through purification, gifts arise softly, one by one. The senses calm, the heart grows still, and scattered thought is done. In this clear space, the soul appears, unhidden, calm and bright. The inner truth comes into view. Within the quiet light, the mind grows steady, focused, clear, no longer pulled apart. Thought becomes a single stream, aligned with truth and heart. And in this harmony of self, a recognition dawns. The soul reveals its presence here, beyond all form and thought. From purified and steady ground, awareness turns within. The lower self becomes a path where higher sight begins. No outer veil, no restless pull, The seeker comes to see that clarity and peace arise when all